तो कोई फास्ट बात कर रहा है, कोई स्लो बात करता है, इट डजेंट मैटर। बट हम सब अच्छे लगते हैं, रियल लगते हैं, नेचुरल लगते हैं, खुद को कंफर्टेबली एक्सप्रेस कर पाते हैं जब हम अपने नेचुरल वे में बात करते हैं। Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, in this video I am going to tell you something related to me, one misconception, and maybe you have that misconception. So this is the important you must know. If you have, then your misconception, your delusion will be cleared. Okay, so see what I had. I had one delusion that speaking fast is called fluency, as we all want to speak English fluently, and we are trying so many things for speaking English fluently. So few months ago, I also felt that speaking fast is called fluency, and after that, I started working on that. But thank God, by the grace of God, that delusion got cleared, and I realized that speaking fast is not called fluency. I got to know. So, I think you must have heard it. Okay, speaking fast is not called fluency. But why I am telling you this one? One thing I want to tell you, after listening me, you will understand why I am telling you. See my dear friend, when I realized and got to know, then I realized that we human have been given so many different things, okay, natural different things, and that things make us unique and different from others. We all are human, but what things make us different and unique from others? The way we speak, the way we look, the way we express, these things make us different, unique from other. But when we will do copy someone, yeah, not go along with our natural things, how we will look, how we will sounds, how we will not fit. जब हम अपने यूनिक और नेचुरल थिंग्स को छोड़कर किसी को कॉपी करने लगे या कुछ और एडप्ट करने लगे, तो हम कैसा लगेंगे? बेफिट लगेंगे, फेक लगेंगे, सूट नहीं कर पाएंगे उस उन चीज़ों में। एक अलग सी जो है लगेगा, एंड अदर पर्सन विल ऑल्सो थिंक अबाउट अस, दे ऑल्सो वॉन्ट फील गुड अबाउट अस कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं, ये क्या ओवर एक्टिंग है, लाइक दैट। बट when we are in our nature, in our natural things, we fit in that, we look good, we sounds good, we look natural. So some things should be changed and some things should not be changed. कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जिसको चेंज किया जाना चाहिए अगर कोई बैड थिंग्स है, बट कुछ चीज़ें जो है हमारी पहचान बनाती है, नेचुरल है, हमें वो उसके साथ जो है कुछ छेड़छाड़ नहीं करना चाहिए। ओके, वी शुड बी विथ दैट। सो here I am talking about English, okay, how I had one misconception about fluency. So I want to tell you, fluency is the different concept, okay. Fluency is not speaking fast, it is different concept. It is that fluency is that when you speak without thinking word sentences, your thought process, you are expressing without thinking, without in pressure, just in flow, in natural, that is called fluency. But here I am trying to say you about natural speed. We all have different speed of speaking. okay, and we speak in different speed. Some of us speak in fast way, some of us speak slow, calmly, relaxed way. So when we speak our native language, that time we speak in our natural speed. But when it's coming to speak English, why? Why you are trying to speak fast only? Why not in your natural speed? क्यों आपको फास्ट इंग्लिश बोलना है? क्यों नहीं अपने नेचुरल स्पीड में बोलना है? We all have seen many fluent speaker on YouTube. They are fluent, but their speed is different. उनके स्पीड डिफरेंट है, वो फ्लुएंट है स्पीकर हैं, बट उनके बोलने का जो स्पीड है वो डिफरेंट है। कोई रिलैक्स में बात करता है, कोई कामली एक्सप्रेस करता है, कोई फास्टली करता है। और हम सबको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, जो फास्ट करता है हम उन्हें भी एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, वो भी हमें अच्छे लगते हैं। जो कामली बात करते हैं वो भी हमें अच्छे लगते हैं, जो स्लो बात करते हैं वो भी हमें अच्छे लगते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि सब लोग अपने नेचुरल स्पीड में बात करते हैं। बट अगर वही कोई किसी का जो स्पीड है फास्ट बात करने का और वो स्लो में बात करे, हाउ विल यू फील? आपको कैसा लगेगा? यू विल फील डिफरेंट, awkward, and that person also feel not good, because that person will, is speaking beyond his nature. बट अगर कोई जो है कामली बात करता है और वो स्पीड वे में बात करना शुरू करे, तो उसे भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा और जो सुनने वाले हैं उनको भी तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। क्योंकि नेचुरल जो चीज़ें होते हैं वो छुपती नहीं हैं, वो तुरंत समझ में आ जाता है कि ये नेचुरल है कि फेक है। ओके, सो व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू स्पीक फास्ट, दैट टाइम I was also uncomfortable. Okay, but for becoming fluent in English, I was trying. But when I speak in my natural speed, I am calm, relaxed, and in comfort. तो कोई फास्ट बात कर रहा है, कोई स्लो बात करता है, इट डजेंट मैटर। बट हम सब अच्छे लगते हैं, रियल लगते हैं, नेचुरल लगते हैं, खुद को कंफर्टेबली एक्सप्रेस कर पाते हैं जब हम अपने नेचुरल वे में बात करते हैं। देन सो आई वांट टू से दैट यू नो you are learning English and you want to become fluent. Yes, we must keep this goal to become fluent in English. Even I want to, but speak English in your natural speed. Don't try to adapt another speed beyond your natural and look fake. Be natural and go with nature, and then you will speak calmly, relaxed way, and comfortable way. Okay, so these things I wanted to tell you, because when I realized, after that I thought, why not to tell this to my co-learners. So now I don't try. Yes, sometimes I read morning time, because while speaking we get stuck, hesitate, because all the time we are not speaking English. So I do reading fast way, okay, but I don't want to speak very fast way, because that is not my speed. If I try to speak fastly, I will feel uncomfortable and not feel good. But when I speak in my natural speed, I feel relaxed, good, and in I feel comfortable. So you also must care these things and don't copy someone. If someone is speaking fast, so it is his nature, and he will be suitable and real in his nature. ओके, तो मेरे कहने का मतलब है, माई मीन इज़ टू से, आपका नेचुरल स्पीड फास्ट है, स्लो है, जो भी है आप उसी में रहें। आप दूसरा जो है अडेप्ट और कॉपी करने की कोशिश मत करिए। दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन, ओके, एंड all it's up to you whether you like it or not, whether you want to uh, follow it or not. So for today that's it. We will meet in next video with new information. So bye bye. Please like, subscribe and share.